Alright, so far in all the videos I've put on here, we've learned how to factor trinomials, and that will technically get you the solutions or the zeros of a quadratic equation. We've learned how to put these numbers into the quadratic formula and work that out. We just did that in the last couple of videos, and that showed you how to get the solutions or the zeros. And just so you understand, solutions and zeros are interchangeable. So if we ask you the solution of a quadratic equation, it's the same thing as if we asked you for the zero of the quadratic equation. Well, now what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to do this using a calculator by graphing these quadratic formulas. And this is one of the easiest ones to do, because obviously you just saw the quadratic formula. That takes a little bit to memorize and to work it all out. Factoring trinomials, there's definitely some work involved in doing that. This makes it much easier. So what you'll simply do is you will take these first three terms, x squared plus 4x plus 3, and you're going to put that into y1. So we have y1 equals, and then you're going to put x squared plus 4x plus 3. You're not going to put equals 0 in there. Okay? Now what you're going to do is you're going to hit the graph button, which is at the top right of the calculator. So let me see if I can write this in here. So then once you've got that into y1, you then simply hit graph. So let me put that into my calculator real quick, because I'm doing this along with you. X squared plus 4x plus 3. Now I hit graph, and then I'm simply going to look at the graph and see where it crosses the x-axis, which again is the horizontal one, the one that's running from left to right. And I'm looking to see exactly what numbers it crosses at, and it looks like it crosses at, see, one of my zeros will be negative 3, and the other will be negative 1. Again, I'm just looking for exactly where it crosses that x-axis. I'm going to try and draw a picture here for you so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. So we have 1, 2, 3. So this graph looks something like this right here. So it goes right through negative 3, and then it comes back up through negative 1. And it keeps on going up and up and up, so you don't have to worry about that. But we're simply looking for where it crosses the x-axis. So our two answers here are negative 3 and negative 1. And all you did with that was you plugged that straight into y1 like we've been doing all year long. So that makes these very easy when trying to solve these. So page 3 in your packet is actually entirely solving by graphing. So that's pretty easy.